In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a file with everyone in your organization using SharePoint Online. This process is especially useful when you need to distribute documents widely and efficiently within your company. To start, it's helpful to understand what everyone in organization means. This refers to a specific link type, often labeled as people in your organization, or under a similar name. Basically, it allows anyone with an account in your Microsoft 365 or Office 365 tenant to access a particular file, provided they have the link and are signed in. You can also choose to share files by adding a group that contains all users, but using the link method is often much quicker and simpler. Let's walk through the step-by-step process. First, you'll need to log into your Microsoft 365 or SharePoint account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the specific site where the file you plan to share is stored. Next, head over to the document library. This is where you'll find the file you're looking to share. When you've located your file, select it by either hovering over it and clicking the checkbox or by clicking the ellipsis, which are the three dots, next to the file name. With the file selected, look for the Share button. You'll find this option either in the toolbar or within the menu. Clicking this will open up the sharing dialog. Here, you should choose the Copy Link option or a similar feature that lets you obtain a shareable link. Once you've done this, look for the link settings, or perhaps a settings icon near where you clicked Copy Link. It's important to make sure the link is set to people in your organization. This setting is crucial because it ensures that anyone signed in with their organizational account can access the file through the link. Now, depending on your needs, you have some options. You can decide whether the link should allow view only or edit access. Sometimes you may also be able to set whether people are allowed to download the file or not. Make sure to choose these carefully based on how you want the file to be used by your colleagues. After setting these options, go ahead and copy the link. Once you've got the link, you can share it via email or through Teams or any other communication platform your organization uses. As long as the people receiving the link are signed in, they'll be able to access the file. Finally, if you ever need to revisit who has access to the document or you'd like to adjust permissions, you can usually do so with the Manage Access feature on that file. This will allow you to review and modify who has access or remove permissions if needed. And there you have it, an efficient way to share a file with everyone in your organization using SharePoint Online.